I tell you very important thing for GS as well. I tell you there are different stages. I have observed, like my teaching experience is 10 years. I met n number of students because my exposure was in Vajiram, where I met more number of students actually. First, like here, first stage of the aspirants are, their stage is reading. They say, I have read this, I have read this. And out of them, some they were not able to qualify prelims. Then they ask, sir, like what mistake I have done? So I asked them, have you practiced MCQs? They said no. I have only read, but I have not done MCQ practice. See here, because our mind is very lazy, our mind avoids stress. When you will give test, then you will realize where you stand. So chances that some students, they feel they get demoralized, so they start avoiding test just for the sake of confidence. Like in one night I have read Lakshmikant, in one night I have read Spectrum. They keep on reading, सिर्फ पढ़ते रहेंगे, उसको कोई फायदा नहीं है. Only reading will not help you out until unless you are retaining the thing or you are judging yourself. तो कहते हैं ना, जज योर सेल्फ बिफोर यूपीएससी डस. तो यूपीएससी आपको जज करे उससे पहले खुद जज करो. So second stage is where I have seen student, what they do MCQs. They say I have attempted 60 to 70 tests, but still I have not qualified prelims. Here also you are doing mistake. I have seen student, they just attempting MCQ just for the sake of attempting MCQs. Where is the improvement? I have seen student test 1, they are getting wrong answer in fundamental right. 11th test also they are getting wrong answer in fundamental right, and 61st test also they are doing the same mistake. So if you are repeating the mistake, where is the improvement? See what they do, student, they attempt test for 2 hours and they start reading the next chapter immediately. They don't check their score also. They are not bothered about the analysis. So here, if you are doing test and you are not making analysis on that, you are not working on your mistake, don't attempt test. कोई फायदा नहीं है वो सिर्फ टेस्ट लगाने का. You have to improve actually. You have to see where you are doing mistake. And if you are repeating the mistake, that is blunder. वो है महापाप. गलती करना is not that crime, but repeating the mistake is crime. Okay, so here third stage where student they qualify prelims, where they do proper analysis on MCQs, they improve, and like here they work on their problem area. So we have to do this with this test series. All of you purchase one notebook of 20-30 rupees only, separate. ठीक है, you have to purchase that. Thick one, sorry thin one. पतली सी ले लो 20-30 रुपए की. Okay, then what you do, page number 1 you write test 1, page number 2 test 2, test 3 analysis. Okay, so what you have to do here, after attempting that test, you will get answer key also. Then you have to check yourself. Test will be uploaded as PDF because UPSC is offline. So I want you have to bubble that. OMR sheet has been uploaded. So you take print out of the OMR. So you bubble that OMR. Okay, that is very important because some students they do mistake in bubbling the OMR. Then you check with answer key. What you have to do, analysis. Just write this. I need this analysis of all of you. Monday or maybe by tomorrow, I will create Telegram group. I will share the link. So on that Telegram group, you have to share your analysis. So first column, you have to write number of questions. If you are not doing this analysis, then don't attempt the test. This analysis is very, very important. Like if there are 30 questions, you write 30. If in the test there are 40 questions, write 40. If in the test there are 80 questions, you write 80. Then here next is attempted. Next column you write number of questions attempted. I need two things here. Like for example, out of 30 questions you attempted 20 questions. You write 20 also and you convert this in percentage also because I will check percentage. How you calculate percentage? If there are 30 questions, you attempted 20, 20 by 30 into 100%, or 2 by 3, which is 66.66%. So your attemptation percentage is 66.66%. Then next is unattempted, जो attempt नहीं किए, just number. Then next column you write correct. Out of 20, how many questions you got correct? For example, you got 5 correct. Then wrong. Wrong you write 5 because out of 20, 15 correct, so 5 wrong. But what is important here in this, you write about this 5 questions. What is the reason why you got wrong? So you write lack of revision. Okay, like I don't know this concept, I have not revised. So you write the reason why these 5 questions are wrong. Next column, which is very, very important, carelessness. Carelessness is blunder, and this is carelessness we have to minimize. What is carelessness? You know the thing, but still you got wrong answer because of some silly mistake, maybe calculation mistake, maybe you have not read question carefully, maybe you are in hurry, and because of hurry you have done mistake. We have to minimize this carelessness. This is our target for this year prelims, because I have seen students, they were not able to qualify 2021 CSAT mainly because of carelessness. Many students, you might know, like here in examination hall, they got wrong answer, but when they check at home, they found, oh, this is very easy question, I have done this mistake, I missed this point, I missed this word in the question. So that we have to control actually. So you write the question where you have done carelessness actually. Very, very important. I have to analyze that. Last, not the least, last column, accuracy. Accuracy. I tell you what is accuracy, and I need in percentage. Accuracy is correct question divided by attempted into 100%. Like you got 15 correct and you attempted 20. This is 3 by 4. It means 75% accuracy. Because I want all of you have to maintain 90% accuracy. If it is below 80% means red sign. If your accuracy is below 80%, red signal. If it is between 80% and 90%, yellow. Above 90%, green. This is very important. And attemptation is also important. So these are very, very important things for all 35 tests. And here, if you are getting 5 questions wrong and 10 unattempted, you have to revise this also if these are from lecture, or you have to check that detailed explanation. Is this clear to all of you? See, I tell you, this is like we together have to put 100%. Neeraj Chopra, like here, he got that gold not because of only his own effort. Coach effort was also there. So we both have to try our best. This analysis is required, and you have to do, even try this for GS also, and you will appreciate this thing, and you will tell me in the last, sir, this is really a wonderful thing. It has changed my attitude towards the prelims exam.